From the #1 station, this is a story about love. A love story.
Hi everybody, it's Marla Meridith here in beautiful, sunny Telluride, Colorado. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell in the right-hand corner so you don't miss any videos. I love to demystify the whole process of home cooking with you. Today we are whipping up a delicious summer dessert. It's super easy and quick, mason jar ice cream. Seriously, you will not need to run to the store now that you can make your own really easy ice cream at home. And the best news is that you can customize it to be any flavor you want. If you're into chocolate, s'mores, vanilla, any kind of fruity flavors, dulce de leche, you can make it all in the comfort of your own home. As a matter of fact, since we're using half-pint mason jars for this recipe, it means they're single serve. So you can just have fun with heaps and heaps of flavors. So what I have here is a 12-pack of half-pint mason jars. Think about the endless possibilities of flavors that we have here.
I'm looking at the sky, see the spark and singing
These are really a great size for ice cream. Not too big, not too small, just the right size. And they'll keep us looking great in our swimsuits this summer.
Dance to the beat.
Now I'm dancing to your vibe.
Girl, if loving you was a crime, then I know I'd be in prison a long time.
So when we shake the cream like this, we're adding air into the mixture. We're forming sort of like a whipped cream, and we want to make sure we don't shake over 3 minutes, because if we do, we can end up with butter.
Like you know you should.
We're rocking it together.
Do good and good will follow you.
A pleasure so supreme, so supreme. My body ain't confused no more.
So I've shaken the mixture for 3 minutes, and look how nice this is. This is exactly what we're looking for. See how it drips, but it sits on the back of the spoon? That's the point where we want to put it in the freezer, just like that.
Been waiting for a sign.
Hear what my brother say.
Okay, everybody, I'm super pumped. Took these out of the freezer. Now you're gonna wanna freeze them for at least 3 hours to overnight. And then I made them all pretty. Let's say you're having guests or you just wanna have some fun and make your ice cream pretty. I just went ahead and took little fabric squares, tied them with a ribbon, put on a little tag so that we know what flavors we have. And now it's time to dig in. I think I'm gonna start with the mint chip. We have our frosty jars. Pop them open. And we have ice cream. Pretty awesome, huh? Go ahead and pop these babies out of the freezer a few minutes before you want to enjoy them so that they have some time to soften up a little bit. Then you can dive in. So delicious.
Do you hear that?